Victims in the Oxford High School shooting could be a step closer to a settlement after an Oakland County Circuit Court ruling. Good evening, everyone. I'm Stella Daskalakis.
I'm Mike Woolfolk. Our top story tonight, new developments in a lawsuit filed back in January. The district argued the insurance company Setseg Property Casualty Pool inaccurately interpreted the policy.
Mid-Michigan Now's Courtney Bennett is here with more. Courtney, what was the insurance company's claim?
Stella and Mike, the insurance company said that the November 2021 shooting was one occurrence, meaning they would pay out $5 million. Oxford Community Schools disagreed, saying each person shot and killed or injured should be included as an occurrence, and that totals 11 victims.
This is not a $5 million policy. There were 11 different events. That's 5 million times 11, or 55 million, and arguably there might be even more depending on what other courts may rule.
Attorney Ben Johnson represents several of the victims and their families in a civil lawsuit against Oxford Community Schools. He's been arguing on their behalf for accountability from the district. So could this decision by Judge Jacob Cunningham in Oakland County pave the way for the victims to receive settlement payments?
It could. If Setseg said, yes, we're going to pay it. You and I both know they're going to appeal to the Michigan Court of Appeals.
Johnson says more than likely this is still an uphill battle. Back in January, when the district filed the lawsuit, the insurance company claimed the policy was ambiguous.
They sell these policies of insurance to the school, like Oxford, and then when something bad happens, they say, we're not going to pay. Well, Oxford has been paying tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars in premiums for years, and then this company's going to step away from them and say we're not going to pay. So what insurance policy were they really selling?
Setseg is a nonprofit risk-sharing pool representing school districts across Michigan. Their pool contains more than 525 school districts, community colleges, and associations in the state.
This is a huge deal. Oxford Community Schools, at a kind of a interesting twist of fate here, Courtney, they filed this case in part because we kept telling them, you guys should sue them, and because we think that there's more coverage here than they're telling you. They did, and they won.
Huge, because Johnson says it's one step toward holding the district accountable for its role in this tragedy. The gunman, a 15-year-old student at the time, opened fire and killed Madison Baldwin, Tate Meir, Hannah St. Juliana, and Justin Schilling. 7 other people were injured as well that day.
This shows my clients that there are courts that are listening and that we still have a chance.
This month marks 4 years since the shooting at Oxford High School, and there are many civil lawsuits that are going through the court system right now. The shooter and his parents are in prison. For now, live in the studio, Courtney Bennett, Mid-Michigan Now.